Hey, what's up guys? I'm Patrick.
And I'm Sterling.
It's time for a new Infinity Gauntlet ring. The goal is to just have just a really refined design, a simplistic design. And so we're starting out with zirconia, and then we're going to set stones in it with these gold just setting tubes here. And so you'll see how the design works out, but essentially we'll have two wonderfully contrasting materials, and then we're going to set it with these authentic gemstones here, and I'll let Sterling explain what they are.
So some of these different stones that we're going to include in these settings is some orange garnet, we have some sapphires, we have rubies, emeralds, yellow sapphires, and also the purple amethyst. So we're going to use those along with the gold and some different setting tools and techniques, and we're going to set it into the black zirconium and come up with a really cool minimalistic ring.
The light that surrounds me, if we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty.